Hi guys, 8:15 ng umaga. Dito na kami sa Lidl.
Hello guys, we're
What
at
you
Lidl and I got Dubai style donut
Latte,
and
cookie.
cookie. Like
How about you, ate? What
I
have you
got
got?
this because I tasted these before, but I'm not sure actually what they're called. I got
And can you get croissant for me? The chocolate croissant. Chocolate croissant, yeah. Basket then. Maraming option ng breakfast, guys.
yeah, it's
Ganyan.
because we only had strawberry and
You had-
Mum said go outside when it's not hot.
Yeah, we're out early. Dito kami sa labas na maaga, guys. It's only 8:15. Galing ako ng trabaho, pero gusto ko silang ilabas na maaga. Kasi mamaya ang super init na. Kaya ayan, bibili kami ng breakfast. At maglalakad-lakad kami konti. Bibili rin ako ng mango, guys. Ang ganda ng mga mango, oh. At mura lang. Piso ang isa.
how many do you want?
2 please. Piso ang isang mangga. Parang ang ganda niya. Kaya bili tayo. Mabigat na namang dalhin natin pa uwi. But it's okay. Ay, ayoko niyan. Ganyan. Hindi maganda yun. Okay lang. Iuwi natin ganito. Maglalakad tayo pa uwi, guys. Birinap tayo ng tatay natin ngayon. Well, guys, it's gonna be so heavy. Ang hirap kunin. Laki kasi, oh. Parang ang gaganda nila, oh. Try nga natin, baka sakaling maganda sa loob. Tignan lang natin. Naman kumuha ko ng mangga. 4 na mangga. Ayan. Diyan na si ate. May trolley. Asan yung mga tinapay? Dr. Pepper, not
That's
this
not Dr.
morning.
Pepper.
Pepsi, not this early
Oh
morning,
yeah, I forgot
please.
it's early in the morning.
Ano ba yung mga kinuha nila? May mga croissant dyan kinuha. Pero kumuha sila ng drinks. Alam niyo yung mga kinuhang drinks? 8:15 ng umaga, guys. Pepsi at saka lemon, mga lemonade. No. It's too early. Mag-orange kayo kung gusto nyo. Huwag yung soft drinks agad ang aga-aga. So, yan lang sinadya namin dito. May prutas kami sa bahay, pero mangga wala. Kaya kumuha na ako. Gusto ko lang silang mailabas ba para mamaya doon na kami sa bahay maghapon hanggang lumamig. Kasi super init ngayon na naman, guys. Kahapon 31 ang namin kahapon. Tapos ngayon maghapon na namang mainit. Kaya sabi ko lumabas na kami ng maaga. Sinadya lang namin dito breakfast talaga. Tapos punta kami sa Sports Direct. Gusto kong ibili ng swimming costume si ate. Kasi maliit na yung swimming costume niya. Kailangan ng palitan ang kanyang swimming costume. Every Wednesday siyang nagsiswimming. Parang maliit na. So, ayan. Asan na ba sila? Uy, tapos na kayo? You finish?
How do you know why we're looking at these, by the way?
Okay.
I did that.
You don't need those, do you?
I did that.
Okay. Do you need those?
No, but
Okay, come on, let's go before it get too hot. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ang mga,
me and Adam haven't got our drinks yet. Can we
well, go and get then. Where? No, not soft drinks early morning. It's only 8:15 and you're having soft drinks. No, thank you, Daniel. Bilis. Bilis. Go and get your drink. Mango. I prefer mango. Bilis. Huh? Is that mango?
Mango passion.
Oh, there's no plain mango. There's no plain mango.
I don't want to.
Oh, okay, come on, let's go then. That's enough. It's too heavy for your bag now. Socks?
No.
White socks? Actually, we haven't got our favorite chicheria.
Oh, sushi candy.
No, thanks. Ito guys, magbabayad na kami.
Yes. Okay. Thanks, Mom.
Punta na kami sa... May babalik kasi ako sa shop guys. Binili ko nung isang araw. Hindi kasya sa akin. Akala ko payat ako, yun pala hindi naman. Mataba pa rin ako. Kaya yung binili kong damit is maliit. Feeling payat ba? Kaya hindi kasya yung nabili kong damit. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Ate, oh. Let's go and pack. Oh, I need cotton buds. Oh, there's two. Wow, cotton pads. You're right, yeah. Sorry, cotton pads. Ay, nako, may ano na tayo. Go! Go and queue up. Palabas na kami ng Lidl, guys. Kumakain na tong magkapatid. Ayan. Punta kami sa shop. Okay, ayan na. Okay na. Sold na yan. May breakfast na sila habang naglalakad. May breakfast. Ako may breakfast din ako dito. Croissant. 2 croissant. Si Ading donut. So early in the morning. Donut ang breakfast. Oh my days. Ayan. I know, I got chocolate croissant. Come on this way, hoy. This way. Ayan, magpunta kami sa shop. Babalik lang. Tapos, come on, let's shortcut this way. Ayan, samahan nyo na lang kami guys. Magbibigay kami ng pa-G-Kuskus dito mamaya. Mag-iisip muna tong dalawa ko ni tatanong nilang G-Kuskus. G-Kuskus to oo. Pang ulam. Well, ulam na hindi yung mamahalin. Ulam na tuyo at itlog. Pang ulam, breakfast ulam. See you guys. Dito na kami sa mga shop guys. Pero sarado pa. Hindi sila magbubukas na until yung isa is 9:45.
Due to training.
Okay. 9:45. Dito naman sa Sports Direct, hindi ko alam kung anong oras magbubukas. I hope 9 o'clock. So, wala, hindi pa tayo makakapag agad. Sabi ko, agahan namin para makauwi na kami agad. Hindi pa pala bukas. Ano ba yan?
Well, Sport Direct isn't open.
I don't think it is. So we can just sit here and finish your breakfast while we wait for the shop to open. What can we do? Nothing much, isn't it? So we'll just wait here. 9? Huh? 9:30. Okay, let's sit down here, Ading. Oh, Sports Direct open 9:30 guys. Ano ba yan? Isang oras kami maghihintay dito. Shall we go Sainsbury? Let's go sa... Yeah. Come on. Mahilig ka dyan. You didn't even walk to, this morning. Dada drop us. So, masakit kasi yung paa niya, guys. Patingin ako ng Nemo. May sugat siya sa paa. Pero ng Sunday, nag-basketball pa rin. Wala ka namang sugat, ate. You're okay. Ano ba yan? Oh well, never mind. Yan guys, habang nag-aantay kami, magtatakbo na lang daw muna yung magkapatid. Sabi ko, sige, para ma-exercise naman. Ayan. Ayan sila, para hindi sila maboring. Tapos na nila yung breakfast nila, tatakbo, na may gutom na naman yung mga yan. Sabihin na naman gutom. Hi guys! We're back. Ito po, uwi na kami. Cheers! Cheers! May mango drink kami. Galing sa Costa.
I said
So-
in Costa, whatever Mum gets, it's our favourite now. We always get it.
So,
Last time I got matcha and I didn't really like it. Mum got ubi, I loved it. This time I got ubi. Last time I got ubi and Mum got mango. Favourite now. Once Mum gets another drink, I'm trying it. Probably my favourite again.
oh my goodness. It's good to try new things, isn't it? So, last time,
But it's not good
paborito
to steal
nila.
your drink.
I know, right? You steal my drink all the time. But because you're my favorite daughter, then I gave it to you.
It's because she's the only daughter.
Was it?
No, you're the daughter.
So last time, nagustuhan nila yung ubi sa Costa. Ubi frappe. Ngayon, nung nakaraan, binila ko sila ng ubi kasi gusto nila ng ubi. Ang binili ko sa akin is mango. Ngayon, tinikman nila yung mango. Nagustuhan na naman nila. So ngayon, ako nawalan ng mango. Kaya ngayon, lahat kami naka-mango. We're all having
What would
mango
I do
this
without
time.
you?
I know, right? I don't know what you're gonna do without me. So, uwi na kami, guys. Ito na. Naka-shopping na. Nabudol na naman ako ng malaki. Kaya uwi na kami. At talagang maglalakad lang kami, guys. Wala na kami pamasahe sa bus. Kaya lakad na lang kami. Adeng, hi. You okay to walk? You guys okay to walk?
I have no idea.
You guys okay to walk? Yeah, walk, Adeng. Adeng, what's that? I don't even know. May nagbitbit sa amin,
Actually,
guys.
that might be mine.
Kilala kami, ha? Kaibigan natin, di ko alam kung sino. Nakilala kami dito sa daan. Pinitpiban kami. Siguro mga kaibigan nakakilala. Pero hindi ko nakilala yung sasakyan eh. Kaninong, who's got white car? I don't know.
Money,
Hmm?
I think.
Okay guys, see you
Money has
guys.
a big one.
Hi guys. Hindi kinaya ng power namin. Nagbus lang din kami. Hi. Hindi kinaya. Super init talaga guys. Grabe. At mind you, galing pa ako ng night, no? Galing pa ako ng trabaho. Kaya hindi ko kinaya ang init. At saka maglakad. Okay na ako maglakad. Kung hindi maaraw guys. Super sakit sa araw. Tingnan nyo, nangingintab-ngintab kami, oh. Kumikintab-kintab, kumukuti-kutitap ang aming mga kulay. Si ate, oh, sunog na. Sa init. Then you wanna move the side, darling, is on your side. You're glad you take the bus. Sabi namin, panindigan namin maglakad. Pero sabi ko, nawawa mga bata sa paglalakad. Kaya pinagbus ko na sila. Hinala ko na sa bus. Tamang-tamang may bus.
Do you know how there's a phrase called cold propaganda? That is ganda. Yeah. Is there one for wearing a lot of clothes but hot?
I don't know. Scared of the sun, maybe. I don't know. Let's see you guys. Pakita na lang ni ate mamaya kung ano na naman naputol niya sa akin. Bye.
Hello guys, we're back at home! Yay!
Oh, we're all dead. May isang fan lang kami guys. We only got one fan in the house.
No, we don't. Well, the biggest fan.
No, we don't need that. Dan, we got the small one here that's enough. So, pakita daw nila yung binili nila guys. Anong binili mo, Adeng?
Yeah!
Hindi naman sa'yo yan.
Huh?
Kay ate man yan. Kay ate.
I didn't got receipts.
Receipts
A
daw ang
bottle?
kay Ading. Kawawa.
A bottle?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you got a bottle and receipts.
Water bottle pala
Oh,
kay
directly
Ading.
shoot because I need them for my play.
Mom,
Yeah.
You're lucky.
Oh, be careful with
you're
my
lucky this
receipt.
time.
Yeah, okay.
We got the
The other one,
mod
where's the
card.
Costa receipt?
pasta.
Yeah, there's another
I'm not
receipt.
sure.
Not sure, darling.
Mum got these vitamin C and I don't even know. Vitamin C ones.
Where's my hat?
Oh,
This is my hat.
bili lang ko sila
I
ng
got the hat,
tig-
guys.
Tig-isang hat. Tig-isa silang hat. Tapos,
And last but not least,
mangga. Mangga.
last but not least, receipts.
I got lip gloss.
Ading.
Receipts.
I also got a
that's
swimming costume for my
Swimming
swimming
costume
gala.
for Ate's
Let's
swimming
test it out.
gala. And Ading's breakfast. He didn't finish it. At saka may t-shirt si ate. As usual, si ate na naman ang nakarami. Ang maraming nabudol. Damit ni ate. Pang basketball niya, guys.
Let's test it
At
out.
saka,
Let's
binilang ko
test
siya
it out.
ng swimming costume. Kasi malit na yung swimming costume niya.
Let's test.
Eh, kailangan.
It doesn't
Eh,
smell.
well done.
I told
I
you.
hope not, because that's
Alright, then.
expensive water bottle. Hey, it's not even washed, Baba. Dan? It's not even washed.
I put water in it.
I don't care, it's not washed.
Okay.
Oopsies. Mga pagod guys, oh, hilata na si ate. Tsaka sapatos ni ate, all black.
All mine.
Kasi, slip on. Kasi yung sa play niya, may production sila. Mga Livers Year 6. May show sila sa June 22, 23, 24. Eh, may costume siya. Hindi pa dumating yung in-order kong costume niya. Kaya sapatos pa lang binili ko. Kaya ayan, ready na siya. Pagdating ng costume niya, okay na. Sapatos, t-shirt, at saka swimming costume kay ate. At saka yung hat mo, nasa yung hat mo?
On the chest.
Ha?
No, it's underneath.
Ayun
your
ah. At saka hat.
We've been out for 2 hours.
Lip
Hat
gloss.
kay ate. North Face.
Mama.
At saka hat kay at saka lip gloss daw. Na magkano to?
Lip gloss.
Magkano? How much?
7.
7 pounds. Tsaka hat ni Ading na, ano yan Ading? Nike? Is it Nike? Isang hat naman kay Ading, tsaka tubig. At tsaka, what else did you have?
Receipts.
Receipt. Kawawa ka naman. Pistola ka. Okay? Black hat kay Ading. Kasi mga hat nila, hiniram-hiram lang yung mga hat namin.
And receipts.
So we're home guys, hindi na kami maglakad kasi super init talaga. Siya
If we
shiny.
were walking, we would be to the
I
hill.
know. We still be walking now and the sun is really
And then we'll be dead.
really malakas ang sun.
And then we'll be dead.
Nakakasunog ang ano. Sabi ko pahinga lang sila at maligo na kami
I'm gonna
lahat.
have a cold shower today.
Ano, because
I'm
wala
gonna
pa
have
akong
a bath.
pahinga eh. Kaya, ayan guys. Ano yung Jikos natin? Okay, Jikos, ano yung unang shop? What is the first shop that we went in?
Oh, I know.
What was the first shop we went to today?
Yeah, so that's the Jikos. Kung sino makasagot, yung unang shop na pinasok namin para bumili ng breakfast, then i-message nyo lang guys, may 200 kayo, Jikos galing sa magkapatid. Thank you!
Salamat po!
Salamat po, bye-bye!
Thank you.
Oh, wait.
Thank you all.
Remember to
Bye!
like and subscribe.
Like and
Smash that like
subscribe!
button.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Smash that like button.
Bye!